Hi loves, hope you're doing well. Welcome back to another vlog. And if you're new here, karibu sana. My name is Suhindri. Please consider subscribing. And if you're a returning subscriber, by now you know you are always my best friend. I'm in my sleeping attire because it's early in the morning. It's around 6:40 a.m. I woke up a bit earlier because I need to do 1, 2, 3 things before my hair person comes. I'm going to be doing my hair here at home because moving around with baby, it can be tiresome. So my salonist is going to be coming here. And also I'm waiting for my day bag. I always have a day bag. I don't have a stay in nanny. So I need to have 1, 2, 3 things done before then. So this is the situation of my hair. I have the matuta. My hairline is gone because of breastfeeding. But we move regardless. And guys, we are moving again. Yeah, we are moving again. And actually, before I talk about moving, I had talked about those seats, those brown seats over there. I had talked about selling the seats. We sold the seats. The person who is going to be coming to this house, the person who is taking up this house, have took the seats together with the house. So yeah, that's out. It's out of stock now. So guys, as I was talking about moving, we are moving again. Not really moving, kinda, but still moving. I know it's confusing. The reason we are moving, actually we are in ground floor, but we have to move to like another floor up because of the baby. The place is a bit cold. I had intentionally chose to be in the ground floor so that it can be my home, like home. But with the cold and the baby, I have to just move up. So I'm going to be taking another shell, yeah, another house shell with nothing, and I'm going to try and complete it in, hopefully in good time. Maybe I'm going to be doing a video on how the house will be looking like before we do the furnishing, before we do the completing of the house, yeah, so that you can see where we will be starting and how it will go. But mambo ni pole pole, sindio, hakuna pressure, so I'll be showing you the journey as it goes on. And guys, I need to go to the kitchen, spread some mats that I got from Smart Lady Home. They're so cute, guys. You're not ready. They're so cute. I'm going to be showing you that. I'm going to be putting them on the floor and change the ones that I had before. And then I'll be taking my Uji as I wait for my nanny to come and also my salonist. So that's how my day will be. Let me see you when my salonist is here.
Can I be your star tonight? You fill my soul with light the day we met. I don't wanna leave your side, no. Have me by your side when the sun sets.
Lorraine was here on time, but guys, I forgot to film as she was starting to do my hair, but I filmed just a little bit of her doing the hair. And if you need her services, the home services for your hair, just DM me in my Instagram. I'm going to be leaving my Instagram handle just here on your screen. She didn't want me to share her number here, so in case you need, just DM me. And guys, after she did the hair, I just wanted it held up in a bun because if you are a mom, you understand the reason why I did this, because I didn't want any hair falling on my ears, falling on my back, falling on my face, because when breastfeeding, sometimes it can be hectic having hair all over.
I hope you still need me a million years from.
So I have 2 packages over here, this and this. One is mine and the other one is a present for my sister. I hope this thing is as cute as I saw it online because I got these 2 things online and they were delivered today. For a present, you need to give something that is so cute, so presentable. So I hope it's not going to disappoint either to myself or also to my sister because I can't keep both of them. They'll be so a lot for me. So let me unbox so that you can see what it is. I'm going to be unboxing both of them and then I will seal the one that will go to my sister.
You fill my soul with light the day we met. I don't wanna leave your side.
Voila, guys, this thing is as I saw it online. So, let me show you.
I hope you still want me. I hope you still
these are the handles for the lids. This is how this looks, guys. This is a serving dish. This is the smallest. And guys, how cute is this? How cute is this, guys? How cute is this? So I'm going to be putting the lid and show you. So this is the small one.
Million years from now.
Then this is the middle one. Guys, look at that. And then this is the big one, guys, the large of all. So here they are, 3 of them. This is how they look, so cute. I'm in love with them. They are exactly as I saw them online. Let me cover them with the lids and then show you. But before that, let me open the other one because they are 2 different colors. But I'm not going to be separating the other one because remember I said it's a present to my sister.
Night's ever fading, it's time we left the ground. Let's leave for an eternity.
They're of the same color, guys. There is no need of me dismantling this. They are of the same color. I thought I had ordered a different color, but it's okay, they are cute. I'm going also to give my sister the same thing that I'll be having at my house. So we are going to continue twinning. So hello sister, this is yours, but I opened it before I gifted it to you. Hopefully you like the gift.
It's ever fading, it's time we left the ground. Let's leave for an eternity. We'll sail across the lights beyond the sky. I'll be with you eternally. I'm an addict for your love, it keeps me high, keeps me high. Be your star tonight. You fill my soul with light the day we met. I don't wanna leave your side, no. Have me by your side when the sun sets. I hope you'll still want me, I hope you'll still need me 1,000,000 years from now. The seasons are changing, the night's ever fading. It's time we left the ground. Let's leave for an eternity. We'll sail across the lights beyond the sky. I'll be with you eternally. I'm an addict for your love, it keeps me high, keeps me high.